So today we are going to go and fix a failed inspection that we had on a job that we did. As an electrician, electrical contractor, you always going to find inspectors or things that you missed or things that your employee missed that you're going to go and fix because of failed inspection. So we're gonna take care of this failed inspection. We're gonna fix it. Probably it's gonna take us between today and tomorrow because of we're starting at around 1 o'clock today. So we're gonna start fixing stuff and enjoy the content. So we're here. We are rewiring. We took this UF down. We use MC because MC is gonna be covered by he has his own raceway and it's gonna cover by his own raceway, so it makes it suitable for this because the raceway that we're gonna protect it with will be aluminum. It's our first time that we have this issue. We've been doing UF, but I guess I was wrong, and yes, we run pre-wire, and then we are gonna very soon get power to it. Aquí estamos pelando el cable. El MC tenemos 12.3. It's a 12.2, but you can still use the bushing. Florida, they don't require you to put bushing on the MC, but we'll still do it. Así que muchachos, dándole como se debe, durísimo. So as you see here, we use UF 12, which is good for corrosion exposure. Corrosion. Where is corrosion? But it's not considered for commercial use, so that's why we gotta replace it. We've been doing it like this for years, but this inspector didn't like it. Didn't like at all what we did. Well, they're back to working with regular wire. Yep. All good, all working. Back to work, back to normal. As you can see here, we did connect this rewire 4 shoulders. To the next one. So hopefully this inspector will let us go and do that, because I haven't seen in Florida where you use this one, but with another type of a rubber, a black rubber that they put into this, making it weatherproof. But since we are covering it with caulking and his own raceway, that makes it waterproof because it's inside a raceway which is sealed. And make sure also you clean up after yourself when you finish your jobs, guys. Very important for clients to refer you back.